Hey guys, it's Danielle. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a kind of different video for you. As you can tell by the title, I ordered a box filled with junk. That's what it's called. It's called a mystery junk box. However, it is vintage and antique items. I think you get up to 5. That's how many are in my box. 5 items. It was $60. That's with shipping and everything. And you can choose to do a subscription or just a one-time purchase. It is ran by a lady. She actually has an Instagram. I'll link it down below. And then her website is called The Junk Parlor. I think she like resells and stuff, but then she also has her mystery box subscription that you can do. So I thought I would try that out and it would be fun. I have already opened the box. I looked at 2 items because I couldn't wait. But there are 5 items in my box, so the other 3 I have not seen yet. So I thought it would be fun to open them on camera. So when you purchase the box, you do have the option to fill out a little survey or form and tell a little bit about your style. I told her I collect old medicine bottles, books. I said some other stuff too. So we'll see what is in here. So yeah, I'm pretty nervous for the other 3 items. So this is what the box looks like. It's in a pretty small box. I actually expected it to be much bigger, but that's fine. So I'll go ahead and pull out the 2 items that I've already seen. So the first thing is actually an old hydrogen peroxide bottle. It still has the label on it, which is pretty cool to me. I hope you can see this. And I wish I had gotten it a little sooner, or I wish I had done this a little sooner because this would have been fun to put in my fall decor because of like the amber glass. But I'll have to set this aside, and I hope I can find a way to style this. I don't own anything like this, but I do really like it a lot, and I think it's cool. It just says Columbia brand, and then St. Louis, USA, Meyer Brothers Drug Co. Alright, and the second item that I've already seen, it is this little architectural piece. I think that's what you call these. I don't know if this was like on a door frame or what, but I think it's really cool. I see these at antique stores all the time, and they're pretty pricey. So this is definitely something that I'm excited to have. And it's so chippy and just distressed and weathered, and I really like it a lot. This is just a fun piece to add into vignettes. So that was a really fun thing to get in here. Alright, so now there are 3 items left, and I have no idea what they are. So there's this tiny thing. I'm going to open the tiny one last. I don't know why. And then there's this like round piece, or this kind of situation. And then this kind of like box. This feels like a wood box. So let's just go ahead, or like a planter. Whew, that's exactly what it is, a wood planter. I don't know, there's no label or markings anywhere. It does look like it has a little like foil sticker or piece of a foil sticker on the side, so maybe it was holding like cigars or something. I really don't know. Just a really cool vintage farmhouse piece. I might try to incorporate this in my Christmas decor, or on, this would be cool like on the coffee table with either a vignette inside or some greenery. So yeah, definitely think that is really cool, and I love, love, love that it's dark wood. Because if you saw my home tour, you'll see that the majority of the wood pieces that I keep are this like darkish wood color. Okay, now I'm gonna see what this is. Let's see. Feels like, oh, I think I know what it is. I did say on my form that I have a, what are they called? A wooden masher collection. You know those wooden like potato mashers? I do have 2 that I haven't even shown in a haul yet. But I think that that is what this could be. Yay! It is! This is so cool. I love it. She also does live sales on her Instagram stories, and I see these a lot. I don't remember how much she was selling them for, but they definitely weren't like estate sale or thrift store prices, so I think that's so cool that she included one in my box. It's so like primitive and rustic and just the style that I like a lot. So now I have 3 in my collection. Okay, and the last item is this tiny guy here. I really don't know what this could be. Oh, oh, wait. Are they salt? I don't know. There's 2. They're not salt and pepper shakers. Salt, or what do they call them? Cellar. They're little tiny cups. Like little, oh, that's so cute. These are so cute. Little tiny teacups, like maybe for like an old kid's teacup set. Let me try to show it. I think that is so adorable. These would look so cute in a tiered tray. And then this one's slightly smaller than this one. Let me try to show you next to each other. I hope you can see that. They are so cute. Wow, there's no markings or anything on the bottom, but I really think these are adorable. So, did not expect to get anything miniature. I love mini things. I don't know what it is, but if something's tiny and cute, I love it. So, we have these two things. So this is everything that was in the box together like this, and then of course these two little pieces here that I can't stick in there. I thought that was really fun. I absolutely love every single thing that I got. It is definitely, or they're all items that I would pick up for myself when out hunting. So this could be a fun thing to do if maybe you don't like digging and searching for things at thrift stores and estate sales, but you love antiques. Or maybe you don't even feel like shopping at an antique mall. You just like it to be delivered at your door. This is a great way to do that. And like I said, it is a subscription if you'd like. I think it's 60 bucks a month, maybe 50. Pretty sure it was 60 because that's shipping included. For me personally, I enjoy the hunt and the thrill of the like treasure hunt, and then when you finally find a piece that you've been looking for, like I love that feeling. So I did just do the one-time subscription. So that is it for this really quick video. I wanted to jump on here and share that with you guys. I'll try to insert a clip right after this of all the stuff up close so that you can see it in even better detail because I'm kind of far from the camera today. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know down below what you thought about this box, if you think it was worth it, if you thought it was a little expensive, what your thoughts are, and check out the description box for all the info as well in case you're interested in doing this also. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!